Hello, JadTech here, and today we're going to learn how to create ICO files and convert .bat files into .exe files. So first, you need a batch file, of course. I have a simple batch file, just says stuff, and as you can see, just says stuff. That's all. Boring. But how about we add an icon and make it so it's not editable again, so nobody can copy it. And also add some copyright and details. So what you need to download is bat to exe converter, which you can search up online by to show some info. Beta codec, what I mean. Version doesn't really matter. So you need that program. Well, let's say you want to make an icon. First, you can use any kind of program to edit photos and pictures you want, but I like to use Paint.net. So once it is open, the file can be any size, but I prefer just making it not too big and not too small. I'll just try and type a random number somewhere in the hundreds. This size seems okay. Icons do support transparency, so you can type that. And let's add some text. Let's say sup. Resize it. Use any font you want. Your image. For the sake of these examples, just add a circle. Make it red. Add some styles or pixels to render. Last thing we can do is glow. I don't know, good idea, yeah. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Nah. Well, once you've done that, you want to save as. You want to save as a PNG. I'm gonna name it ICO. I'm gonna name it icon. And Excel. Once you have the icon, you can put it on your desktop. And then open your web browser and type in convertico.com. You get this nice looking website. Recently converted. You can choose from here if you want to. Can you? No, you can't. Sorry about that. So what you have to do is click browse and search for your icon. You click open. And you click go. It'll give you a download. Then you can download this icon. So that's how you convert it. So now that we have this ICO file, we'll delete the PNG. And now we want to make this an exe. So all you have to do is type exe. And then it works. Nah, I'm just kidding. That will never work. What you have to do is get the batch to exe, whatever you would prefer to call it, converter. You run it. And then you have the converter. You can choose if this is invisible, a temporary directory. I never use that. Delete the temporary files at exit. I think that's the best idea. You can encrypt the program with a password. Keep it safe. I think this means you can always run it as administrator or existing files. A decompiler. You can include some stuff. Include files and compile, I think. Then there's version information. This is where you put your icon file. As you can see, it's ICO. You locate your icon, click open, and then it's there. You can include version information. You cannot put these symbols, like, yeah. I can type, you can fool around with this. But if I'm actually doing a program, I would type, stuff. I can't talk and type differently at the same time, sorry. Copyright. Uh, oh, you have to select the batch file first of all. So, then you can save it as where it will go. I want to go on my desktop. Exe, save. I change the name, so I can change this to sub 32 one. And just 32. Save. There. And you click compile. Compiling. And you can see that this pops up. You have your exe file. As you can see, you can't edit it, so it won't be copied. When you go into details, it shows what all of the stuff you typed. And when you run it, it runs your batch file. It just automatically make it the aqua color, but usually, yeah, this would be exactly the same. So, well, that's how you make a batch file in exe and how to create ICO.